Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Pixbreak. In this video I will show you how you can change the sky of an image in Photoshop 2023 with just one single click. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is the latest version of Photoshop. It's a Photoshop 2023. The square replacement feature is enabled in Photoshop 2022. If you have a version after Photoshop 2022, you will get a feature in this. In the old version of Photoshop, you will not get this feature. So if you have a version after Photoshop 2022, then watch this video, not waste your time. So now start the procedure. First of all, you need to download an image. I downloaded it from splash.com. If you download this image, you can download from my Patreon page. I will give you a link in description. By the way, I'm now on Patreon. If you want to contact with me and if you have any problem about Photoshop, you can chat with me on Patreon and I will try to solve your problems. My Patreon page link in description. You will go and become a Patreon and become my Pixbreak family. So now let's start the procedure. First of all, you need to download an image. It's a free image downloaded from splash.com. After that, you need to go on edit, that's right there, and select the option on sky replacement. Please be note, it's not in Photoshop old version. You need to download a Photoshop 2022, and after Photoshop 2022, all versions have this feature. So now select on sky replacement. It's very easy. You need to just single click on this. The sky will automatically replaced. It's taken some time according to your image resolution. My image resolution is too high. It's more than 11 MB. That's why it's taking a time. But don't worry, it will give you a good and amazing results. Now wait. See, the sky is changed very perfectly. You will adjust the values according to your image, but by default values is very good. I am not suggesting you to change the values. If you want to change the values, this will not looking good, but the sky will not okay with your image. You will change the values, but see, this sky and color grading is cool according to my image. If you want to change the sky, you need to select on sky option and you will get a presets, pre-made presets from Photoshop. You will get a blue skies, you will get a spectacular, you will get a sunset skies. That's pre-presents. If I select on sunset, it will change automatically. Now see, it's changed. So after that, you have output options. This will give you a output option. You will get a result in new layers or duplicate layers. By default is new layer, and this is a very good option. No need to change. It will create all new layers of sky. Now click on OK. It's create a group of sky replacement. You need to close the group and see the sky is changed. I hope you like this video. If you want a PSD of this file, I will give you on Patreon. I will give you all PSDs and images on my Patreon page. So thank you so much for watching. Be happy. Bye bye.